Okay, you want to make Maja Blanca with sweet corn, but here's the twist. You don't want to use coconut milk. I get it. Maybe you're avoiding coconut for dietary reasons, taste, or maybe you just don't have any on hand. No judgment. Let's do this. First things first, you need to gather your ingredients. Instead of coconut milk, we'll use fresh milk as the base. You'll need 4 cups of milk, 1 can of sweet corn, cream style works best, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. That's it. 5 ingredients. The first pain point people hit: cornstarch clumps. If you've ever mixed cornstarch and found weird lumps in whatever you were making, you know the struggle is real. Pro tip: dissolve the cornstarch in a separate cup of milk before adding it to the pot. Trust me, this will save you a headache later. Grab a medium-sized pot and pour in 3 cups of the milk. Keep the remaining 1 cup of milk for the cornstarch slurry. Add your sugar and a pinch of salt to the pot and turn the heat to medium. Stir occasionally to prevent the sugar from burning at the bottom. While your milk mixture is heating up, take that last 1 cup of milk and whisk in the cornstarch until it's completely dissolved. Start slow. Dumping the cornstarch all at once will make your life miserable. Stir until it's smooth as silk. Now your pot of milk should be nice and warm, but not boiling. Add the cream-style sweet corn and give it a quick stir. If you're a texture person like me, you'll appreciate the corn kernels adding a pop in every bite. They're the star here. This is where you need focus. Lower the heat to medium-low and start slowly pouring the cornstarch slurry into the pot. Stir constantly. Don't stop, not even for a second, or you'll end up with lumpy Maja Blanca. You don't want that. Aim for creamy, not clumpy. As the mixture thickens, you'll notice it starts pulling away from the sides of the pot. That's your visual cue. It's done. If you wait too long, it'll get too thick and be impossible to spread into your tray. Pro tip: thickness peaks faster than you'd expect. Prepare a rectangular dish or baking pan. Lightly grease it with butter or margarine. This ensures that your Maja Blanca won't stick when you're trying to slice it later. Butter solves a lot of life's problems, doesn't it? Carefully pour the mixture into your greased pan. Use a spatula to even out the surface. This step is oddly satisfying. Let it cool on your countertop for an hour, then refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Patience is key. It'll set perfectly when chilled. To serve, slice it into squares or rectangles. You'll get perfectly clean edges every time if you wipe the knife with a damp cloth after each slice. Some people like to top it with grated cheese, but I skip it. Sweet, creamy simplicity does the job. And there you have it. Maja Blanca with sweet corn, no coconut milk involved. It's ridiculously easy and honestly, tastes just as good, maybe even better. Try it out and tell me how it goes. Seriously, I'm rooting for you.